on YouTube? It's your girl, like Shania, back again with another video. Now, if you're new to my channel, you already know what to do. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell on. And join my channel. Now, if you're not new, hey, y'all. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. I miss y'all. Now, you can tell from the title, and I don't know what I'm going to be doing for today's video. Now, hold on. I want you guys to make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get to this unboxing. So everybody know, well, I don't know if you're new, well, I'm a college student. I go to Tidewater Community College. And my major is graphic design. So I was working with my HP computer, but like, you know, good amount of time. But in this semester, I'm really diving into that design stuff. So got me MacBook Pro. So we're finna go ahead and open it. Right up, y'all. Go ahead. I got it today, and I got the last one. Praise God. Because Apple was gonna say it's gonna take 2 to 3 weeks, and who's finna do all that? So now I'm finna raise y'all down a little bit, so then y'all can see. This is my t-shirt. So y'all can see, you know, the little thingamajigger. So I want y'all to see it. So it's like, do I gotta stand up? So yeah, I got to like this. Yeah, I got shorts on. I got clothes on, y'all. So gonna, you know. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm always just smelling it. It's light. But yes, this is the MacBook. Before I get into detail, let me tell y'all which one I got. Ooh, I think it's one of my thighs. So it's the MacBook Pro 14-inch. I got the 16GB memory and the 1 TB. Because I'm going to be doing a whole lot of YouTube editing and design. So this is the charger. I'm guessing. Why does it look like the little, what the new iPhone chargers? It looks just like that. I'm just gonna throw all this stuff on the floor because I'm gonna get it up later. Okay, charger's cute and it's big. Okay. Y'all, I'm gonna be so new to this because I mean, I know how to work a Mac computer, but it's like I don't know how to, you know, I'm gonna have to do some adjustments. It's not long. Well, it is long. Okay, so I got the space gray. Yeah, I wish the new one, they would have added like more colors. That would have been super dope, but Apple did that. So we're gonna go ahead, you know, open it. Oh, okay. I didn't even touch it or nothing. She's a beauty. And I saw it at the Best Buy. He was like, do you already know what computer you want? I was like, yes. I already know which I need. And I already know which one I need. Ooh, she said hello. I said, I already know which one I needed. I just need to come in here and get it. And yeah. This must be instructions. So, oh, they got me Apple stickers. Okay. So right now, I'm finna update it real quick. I'm finna go ahead. I said update it. I'm finna, you know.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Is this touchscreen? No, it's not. Because my HP was touchscreen. So I'm over here. I was about to touch it. I was so close about to touch y'all. Yeah, I would have been like, girl.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac,
I gotta set up my Wi-Fi. Damn. Okay, y'all. I'll be back. I gotta set up the Wi-Fi. Hold on. Alright, y'all. I'm back. Okay. I had to come back because my grandma, she's about to have my, she finna get my, old computer. So I had to delete my stuff. All that good stuff. We're gonna have to start over. Hold this the right one. Y'all. Oh, it is working. I'm about to say, I'm like, I don't know how to work this. I don't know. I was trying to let y'all see. Dang, I could have transferred my stuff. Okay, y'all. I might gotta get my thing because it says it's running low. And it said it needs this. Hopefully. I don't even know where I charge it at. Nope, not that side. Oh, okay. Oh. I'm like, I don't have no Mac or nothing. I know. I gotta get my password, y'all. Because I don't know my password. The this gotta be right, cause what's wrong? Oh, that's wrong. Slow. So y'all. So. But yeah. Oh. But yeah, y'all. I was trying to let y'all see it. Like, y'all can, see the whole thing much ago. But then, I don't know. Try to let y'all see everything. Ooh, password. Y'all, I know y'all probably like, what is she doing? I'm over here tapping. Yeah, I'm over here freaking trying to. I touched the screen again. Like, I touched it again. Like, something's wrong with me. Like, it's gonna be a bad habit because I told y'all my HP was touchscreen, and I be touching away, setting up your account. I gotta take that stuff back. So now I'm trying to think. I'm gonna get a little case or whatever. It's cute though. I know this like the little church bar. That's fine. That's fine. And I see. I guess it's the do not disturb thingy. Like, okay, album. But yeah, find mine. Okay. Didn't know this would have all that. I know y'all seen that. How do I go down? This is gonna be so sad, yo. This should be so sad. Y'all, how do I go down? Don't want to share, crash, and use this data. Nah. We'll set up later. But they talking about some screen time and all that good stuff. Still gonna set up later. Cause I'm a process of getting to know stuff. Cause like a girl this is a big move for me. Oh, I gotta set up my Siri thing. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri, play some music. I hope my phone's not listening. Share audio recordings? I don't know. I guess they can share that. I don't know. Is that a bad thing? But I did it anyway. Okay, church bar. I hope this don't be a long video, y'all. Cause I didn't know about that. They got my card information. I forgot my phone. We're gonna do dark. Very much dark. Yes. Cause who finna do light? Not me. Not I. Is it done? Oh, it's loading. I don't even know. Ooh, and it's done. And voila, we're done, y'all. Okay, y'all. So, just close it. So, yeah, that's all for today's video. Cause I got work to do, and I need to do that. And I'm gonna, play around it and stuff. But right now, it's light. Somebody said it was heavy and thick. I mean, it is thick. I saw the comparisons to the other MacBook Air. I never had one, but I saw the difference between them. And they are different. They are in the logo. I've been watching videos. I've been watching unboxing videos and everything. But, oh, they even got this on here. But, yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll be probably, showing y'all my, the home screen, probably. Because I do be making my little vision board on my computer. Because I did it in my other one. But I didn't show y'all. I don't know why. But I'm sorry. But yeah, y'all. Thanks for watching. If you still watching this video. But yeah, y'all. That's all for today. That's all for today's video. That's all for today's video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And welcome to Life with Shania. And make sure you follow me on all my social medias, TikTok and Instagram. Will be down below in the description. And yeah, guys, thanks for winning. We're winning all 2022. Nothing but big goals coming your way. I'm ready to take these lashes off, y'all. Oh my god. But yes, we're winning 2022. Big things are coming your way. You can accomplish goals. And yeah, I'll see y'all guys in my next video. Peace out. Love you.